In this video, I will show you how to make a bias tape using a bias tape maker. If you don't have this tool, that's fine, you can make a bias tape without it. Lace your fabric wrong side up and draw a square 25 centimeters to 25 centimeters. Or it can be 30 centimeters to 30 centimeters, or it can be a bit less than 25 to 25 centimeters. The grain line and the selvage edge need to be parallel to one of the square sides. Then draw a diagonal through two opposite angles of the square. I will be using a bias tape maker with a 12 millimeters edge, meaning that I need to cut 23 or 24 millimeters wide strips. And this, yes, you can see it's 12 millimeters. So I need as much as twice of my fabric. And this ruler is of required width. So I will be using it as a guide. Extend your lines beyond the square. Your lines should be as long as your fabric length allows. Don't stay within the square borders. As I said before, draw parallel lines of required width. In my case, it's 24 millimeters. As long as your fabric length allows. The longer your strips are, the less seams your tape will have. Next, trim off the selvage edge and cut the fabric along the lines. Now we need to connect all the strips. First, I mark the wrong side of the fabric. Then we need to align edges. In a situation like this, place one strip on top of another and cut along the edge. Place it like this and just cut along the edge. Don't align edges like this. Don't do it. What you need to do is to place the strips so you have little triangles on both sides, about 4 or 5 millimeters long on one side and on another. So you just put one strip on top of another and slide the fabric a little bit to the side, to 5 or 4 millimeters to the side. Either side is fine. And then do a straight stitch 5 millimeters from the edge. With the reversed stitches at the beginning and end of your seam. Next, press the seam flat, then press the seam open on both sides. And now press the seam open. On the wrong side. And on the right side of the fabric. Like this. Now, trim the excess fabric. And insert the fabric into the bias tape maker if you have one. If you don't, you can skip this step. Start using the iron as soon as you pull out a couple of centimeters of fabric. And that's pretty much it. If you don't have a bias tape maker, you can fold the fabric without it. I hope you find it useful, and thank you for watching.